All right, guys, welcome. We're here in Inglewood. We wanted to show you a unit that we recently turned. We're going to be putting it on the rental market shortly and wanted to give you an inside look, give you a first look at the unit. Come on in. It is quite large, maybe the largest unit in our portfolio. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath. This is the living room over here. The new air conditioning unit over here.
So really nice sized living room. You walk right into it. And these tenants just moved out about 2 weeks ago. The unit was in really good shape. Like the flooring was here. We kept a lot. We just kind of worked around what we had, like putting in a ceiling fan, repainting, new light fixtures and stuff. So like nice. A lot of this kitchen, we'll get into the kitchen, but all this was here. We just cleaned it up.
It's got its own outdoor space. Most of the units in this building have their own patios or balconies. So people really like, spending time outside. So we try to make these spaces nice.
So we always put in these nice stainless steel appliances. I think it makes such a difference. And what's cool, I really like these countertops. We have them. It was in Santa Monica in Ocean Park. We kind of had like butcher block counters, and I think it's so cool. It looks so nice. Just gives it like a really different look.
For sure. New fridge, just got this guy.
And then nice backsplash too. And we've actually been doing a lot more backsplashes. We used to just do the 6-inch lip, and now we've been putting in backsplashes, and it's just like these small touches that make such a difference.
Make a big difference, yeah.
Like renters today really value these things. So we'll pop in. This is the guest bath, the shared bath. So this tub was in pretty bad shape, so we actually did a new one-piece liners. So sometimes we'll tile them, and then sometimes they're these one-piece plastic liners. So we made it really nice. And then this vanity was existing, but it looks brand new because we repainted it and reglazed it. So it's the same one, we just put a fresh coat on top, acrylic coat, new vanity light.
We can go into here. This is the master bedroom.
It's really good size. It's probably 150 square feet.
Yeah, and then you have the ensuite bathroom over here.
This is the coolest part.
Yeah.
So you walk in, this is like a house, like style bathroom where you have double vanity, it's sectioned off bathroom, and then a big walk-in closet over here.
Tons of closet space in this unit.
This could be a bedroom.
This could be a bedroom. This could definitely be like a, what do they call it? Like an infant nursery?
Yeah.
Well, okay, and then you have more closet space over here. Here's your actual bathroom with your bath. Big shower head. It's actually quite large.
Is it in charge?
I don't know. I haven't used it yet.
I'll leave. You can shower.
A try. Yeah. Also great natural light. Big windows in here.
And that's a big thing we've been seeing too, is like tenants really want natural light.
Yeah.
I don't know if the natural light maybe gets you more rent, but it helps it lease faster.
Quicker, for sure, which is huge because every month that it sits vacant, you're losing
$2, $3, $4 grand.
Yeah.
So this is one of the other bedrooms. Again, good size.
We put in the new ceiling fans with the remotes that tenants love. Your remote over here, and then you have a lot of closet space. 2 closets, one big one, one small one.
One for shoes and one for clothes.
Yeah.
So again, really good sized closet. I mean, lots of storage, and storage is another thing that goes a long way with tenants. So we painted all the doors. I mean, they look like brand new doors. We've been repainting a lot. Like we look at the condition of the doors, if there's any rot or cracking. If not, then we just keep them.
And then this is the 3rd bedroom, probably the smallest one, but still a really good size.
This is as big as my bedroom at home.
For sure. And then great closet space in here as well.
Yeah. It's like I look at these are like little reading nooks, like you could just sit there, chill, read. It's like a nice little hangout in your bedroom.
Yeah.
And again, more closet space. So this unit was really just touch up. Yep. Took about 10 days to get it in, market condition. So we're going to be on the rental market in the next, I don't know,
couple days. Yeah, the previous tenant was paying around $2,800, and we'll probably be looking to get around 34 or so, plus the rubs, so plus the reimbursement for the utilities. So that's always, you know, additional $50, $75 a month. So probably end up coming out with another $500-600 a month. So, you know, these small turns don't make a, you know, big difference in our overall portfolio, but if you do 10, 20 of these a year, then they add up.
Exactly, and it brings our, you know, our net income, our cash flow to our investors up,
yeah.
you know, extra $5-6 grand a year.
Yeah.
So you're talking, you know, it's an extra % on cash flow, which is a big deal. You know, when we're doing our distributions, it feels good to return more money to our investors, get them more cash flow distributions. So you have it, unit turn in Inglewood. We have a couple more upcoming as well, so stay tuned for those.
Thanks for watching, guys.